just follow like each train around the track for like a minute.
Daddy, stop your train. Stop the train.
You gonna switch track?
No, yeah, we have to switch track.
So you go on that track and I'll go on the other one. Switch track, right? We'll go past, okay?
Papa. Oh, Daddy, I think your train's gonna be too big when it goes off that hill.
So you want to go with me?
Papa. Look at the three trains, Dad.
They're all going. This one's gonna go up the big bridge. Oh, you switched it.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Switch it over there so it'll go fast.
There you go. Daddy, don't do that.
I didn't do anything. This is it.
Here's my train. Here comes this.
Come here, sis. What do you got over your face, honey? What is that?
Oh.
Funny nose? Okay. Here. What do you know?
It ran into my lens.
Oh.
Nothing happened, Paul. Wait, where's the third train?
Oh, help switch the thing, boy. Switch that switch so it doesn't do that again.
Hey, that wasn't my ringtone, that was a Skype call.
What's the Skype?
Skype? It's like it's a video. It's like video chat. It's on, but it's video chat. It's the internet. It's on the it's a website. It's video chat.
Here I come to get you, Dad. I'm coming to get you.
So Pop can get the one going on that bridge over there.
On this way.
Yeah, switch it there.
Look how far we are, Dad. Coming to get you, Dad. See, Daddy, I got you.
Oh!
Oh, I switched you again. Where's your mommy? Where's your mommy?
There we go. Fish, where's your remote? Fish, where's your remote?
Daddy, stop your train.
Okay.
I want to go. Okay, wait till I say go, okay?
Okay.
Go. Go, Dad.
After this one goes down, I'm gonna stop. It's like 4 minutes.
That's funny. Thank you, sis.
Daddy, your train's broken a little bit.